These boys are swinging. They're on the opposite side of me. They just doing it. Where them boys are swinging. Look at my boys and tumbling. Why that Budapest tumble by mistake? Well, now it's my roller. And they get to the tongue. They're gonna eat this little stock up right here. This is just doing it. This is swinging. Go get them, boys. Get up. Get up, little piece. Go get them. Go get that little piece. Look at them. They swinging for that little piece. They're trying to take that little piece up. They're going to take that piece up once. Take that piece up with them. Go get them, boys. Shit, I'm proud of my birds. Nigga roller doing the tum on the hook. Nigga doing the tum on the back hook. Go get them, boys. That's that whistle to push them up. I hate to whistle, but hey, it works. Got him. Got him. The whole stock. Stick together now, boys. You're on video. My girls are doing the tums. I don't even got a whistle. Them shit's just flying by themselves. I just gotta get them up there. Proud of my birds. Only got 5 birds down and they're in my coop. 5 birds. Everything else is flying. My birds are tumbling on the hook. Buddha, go get that Budapest, fellas. Go get that pest. Old birds and young birds doing it. Shit. They're one of my boy Terry over there, boy. Where them boys? When? Let the birds come down, please. I don't want him up here. He just woke up, put the cartoons on, Carol. Talking to my wife. Boys are coming straight in. They're learning how to work together. They roll out together, they come back together. That's what I like. There they go. They speeding. Who's chasing them? Who's chasing them birds? Got the Buddha in there. Wow, they going fast. Who's chasing them? Where them sisters going? Somebody chasing them? Oh. Oh. Swinging. Come on, Leo. Stop playing. Your shit don't do this. I'm making this video for you, Leo. That's for you, Leo. The sunset rose, bud. I got one bird. I'll let you know what that is. Danish, of course. Which one it is? That's the question you gotta ask. What? Carol?